how to fix Instagram bio link. So if you have any problem with the Instagram bio link, this video is gonna help you a lot. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that, go to the apps again and now go to Instagram. After you go to the Instagram, this is the app informations page, or what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the force stop option and then go to the permissions right here and make sure to enable all the permissions. After that, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back again, go to the power usage details, scroll down, click on force stop, and then make sure the power consumption alert is enabled. And also make sure the app launch is on manage automatically. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.